Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the 500 server error in Canva quickly and easily. A 500 error usually means there is a problem on Canva's server side, but sometimes it can also be triggered by your browser or network. First, refresh the page and try again after a few seconds, because this error is often temporary. Next, check if your internet connection is stable, since weak or unstable internet can interrupt communication with Canva servers. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies, because corrupted data can block Canva from loading properly. You should also try opening Canva in a different browser, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Another helpful step is disabling VPNs, proxy tools, or browser extensions, like ad blockers, because they can interfere with server requests. Restarting your router can also help refresh your connection. Finally, if nothing works, wait a few minutes and try again later, because a 500 server error is often caused by temporary Canva server issues that get fixed automatically without user action. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.